Right guys, welcome to my how-to video on how to select, deselect, activate or deactivate the child lock option on your Samsung washing machine. Now I'll put this into a wash. Right, so once it's in wash mode, the only things you can do is actually press pause. But that allows you then to change stuff like the rinses, how fast it goes, any other options and stuff like that that are perhaps applicable to the cycle. The other thing you can do is turn it off. So to prevent that from happening, you can put on the child lock. To do so, press and hold the temp and the rinse icon on the display for 3 seconds. And a little happy child lock comes up. I mean, literally, look how happy he is. So this means that nothing can be changed. If we press play pause, you can't pause it. If we turn it off, oh wait, you still can. But when we turn the machine back on, the cycle doesn't resume, which is annoying, but the whole display is still locked out. The child lock will flash for several seconds if an option is pressed whilst it's still switched on. The other icon, the door lock, is unlocking the door right now. So, since we don't have access to the machine, this is great whilst I've got little ones that are pressing buttons on machines so you don't accidentally start up a cycle, but to be honest, because you can still switch it off, don't mind that, but I wish the machine would then resume the cycle when the machine is put back on. Unfortunately, this is Samsung's downside, and they don't have any memory. They don't save the cycle within its programming. It just simply just forgets it all. Right, but anyway, to deactivate the child lock so you can now use the machine, you simply press the temp and rinse buttons together for several seconds. And there we go, it's gone straight off, and now we can change stuff like the rinse, the spin, etc. And that's it. That's a how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the child lock feature on your Samsung Ecobubble Washing Machine. I hope you found this video helpful to use on your own washing machine at home. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.